Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete all promotions in Gmail at once. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Gmail, click the Create an Account option. You have the personal and the work or business type of account. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Deleting all Gmail promotions can be beneficial for several reasons because it helps you keep your inbox organized and free from promotional clutter. It reduces distractions, allowing you to focus on the important emails. It frees up storage space in your Gmail account, preventing you from hitting the storage limits. And of course, it simplifies email management by reducing the number of emails you need to sort through. Now, you can do this via two ways. One is on your computer, on the web version, and the other one is through the mobile device or your Gmail app. Now, once you are here on the web version, I need you to go to the inbox section. And I need you to click on the promotions tab. Now, once you are here, all I'm gonna do is click the select option here. And as you can see, the selected 95 conversions and promotions will be deleted if you click on the delete action here. And of course, you will be prompted to delete that. And there you go. But the thing is, don't worry because you can see all the deleted messages from the promotions tab here in the trash section. And if you wanted to restore it, all I'm gonna do is click on restore. All right. I'm not gonna do that right now. But instead, I'm gonna hover to my mobile device so you can see how it's gonna be done from there. All right. Just give me a few seconds. Now, once you are on the Gmail app, I need you to click on the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines on the upper left corner. Click on that, and of course, click on promotions. Remember, we have deleted the emails from promotions in the web version. Now, I need you to click on that and long press the email. Click on the trash icon here, and voila, all the promotions emails has been deleted. And again, you just simply hover to the trash option if you wanted to restore any missed emails that should not be deleted. All right, now the thing is, if you encounter any problems along the deletion of your promotion emails in Gmail, you might want to contact the Gmail support, and from here you need to describe your issue of not being able to delete all promotions in your account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.